Ready to transform text into tunes? This is your ultimate guide to mastering Riffusion Ai. First, head over to riffusion.com. No account needed. It's ready to use instantly. You'll see the text prompt box. This is where the magic happens. Let's start simple. Type a prompt like happy upbeat melody into the box. Now, hit the riff button. Riffusion is now conjuring a spectrogram, a visual representation of your audio prompt. This might take a few moments. Awesome! Your spectrogram is ready. Hit play to hear the AI-generated music based on your prompt. Now for the fun part, prompt engineering. Experiment. Try more specific terms like dark ambient techno with heavy bass. The more descriptive, the better the result. Feeling adventurous? Use the negative prompt. This tells Riffusion what not to include. For example, add no drums to your prompt and see how the sound changes. Explore the style slider. This lets you influence the genre and overall feel of your music, easily switching between jazz, classical and more. Dive deeper with image to sound, or sound to image to discover more possibilities. Now you're a Riffusion pro. Keep experimenting, refining your prompts, and unleash your inner composer. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI music tutorials.